Cash App direct deposits usually arrive up to 2 days earlier than traditional bank deposits because Cash App processes incoming payroll as soon as it receives instructions from the employer or payroll provider. By the end of this, you'll understand exactly when Cash App direct deposits show up, why timing changes, and what can delay your payment. Start with how direct deposit actually works. Your employer sends payroll instructions to a banking network before payday. Cash App receives that information and credits your account as soon as it clears, instead of waiting for the standard bank schedule. Now, look at early deposit timing. Cash App can make funds available as soon as it receives the payment file from your employer. That means two people getting paid from the same company can see money at different times depending on how their bank handles processing. Next, check employer submission timing. Direct deposits only start once your employer sends payroll data. If payroll is submitted late, your deposit will be late, no matter what Cash App does. Now consider weekends and holidays. Banks and payroll systems don't always process transactions on non-business days. If your payday falls on a weekend or holiday, the deposit can shift to the next processing window. Next, look at bank routing delays. Even though Cash App is fast, the money still moves through standard banking networks. If there is congestion or delayed routing, deposits can take longer to appear. Now focus on account status. If your Cash App account has verification issues or restrictions, deposits can be held temporarily until everything is confirmed. This doesn't usually cancel the payment, it just delays it. Next, check direct deposit setup. If your routing or account number is incorrect, your deposit can fail or be sent back to your employer. Even small errors in setup can cause full payment delays. Now consider notification timing. Sometimes Cash App updates your balance before the notification arrives, or the other way around. That mismatch can make it look like the deposit is late when it already posted. Finally, understand the system. Cash App doesn't hold payroll once it arrives. It simply posts funds as soon as the banking network clears them. To sum it up, Cash App direct deposit timing depends on 3 things. When your employer sends payroll, how fast the banking network processes it, and whether your account is fully verified and active. Next step is simple. Double-check your direct deposit setup, make sure your employer submits payroll on time, and keep your Cash App account fully verified to avoid delays. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App deposit guides, timing explanations, and simple breakdowns that make banking transfers easier to understand.